Okay, so I've taken the 5 screws off the bottom. It's a little tricky because you have to move the excavator around to get to all the screws. You have to do a couple of the rotations. You have to do it while the machine's running. And you take off those screws and you kind of get into this environment here. Let me open it up and show it to you. And so here it is. It's got a simple speaker here that is quite annoying if you can turn on the noises here. That's all it does continuously. It flashes red and blue lights over here and goes very noisy. And it doesn't change if you do things, it's just constantly making that noise. So that's quite annoying. And so you got your speaker here and one LED in the cab, and then this controller here, along with a 7.2 or 7.4 volt battery going in here. And what I loved about this when I took it apart is the simplicity. It has six motors. So you have one for each of the tractor wheels. That's 2. So then you have one for the rotating of the whole device here. That's number 3. And then you have one for the larger arm here, one for the smaller arm up here, and then one for the bucket. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. So we got 6 motors that come across here. And when I take this board off, you'll see how the motors are all connected and how I modified that. Okay, so I've just taken the 2 screws off of this and allow you to see on the back they're marked there for each of the motors. You can keep track of that. And so what I did is just clipped each one of these in turn, stripped the wires, and then added a bit of wire for convenience sake, and then attached it to the dark water. So now I'm just going to show you a little bit about how all that is hooked up on the other device that I have.